Hey there, drum enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of rhythm and beats? Have you ever wondered what makes a drum machine truly stand out? Well, you're in for a treat, because today we're counting down the top 7 drum machines that will revolutionize your music production. From analog beasts to digital powerhouses, we've got it all. So, are you ready to find out which drum machine will be your next secret weapon? Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the Korg VOLCADRUM. This little blue box packs a serious punch when it comes to creating unique and intricate percussion sounds. As soon as I got my hands on this device, I was impressed by its compact size and sleek design. The VOLCADRUM features a digital synthesis engine that allows you to create a wide range of drum and percussion sounds. What sets it apart is its ability to layer up to 2 parts per voice, giving you the flexibility to craft complex and evolving sounds. I found this feature particularly useful when designing unconventional percussion elements for electronic and experimental music genres. One of the standout features of the VOLCADRUM is its intuitive sequencer. With 16 steps and the ability to chain up to 16 patterns, you can create intricate rhythms with ease. The touch-sensitive buttons provide a tactile experience that makes programming beats a joy. I spent hours experimenting with different patterns and was consistently impressed by the musicality of the sequences I could create. The waveguide resonator is another unique aspect of this drum machine. It adds an organic, acoustic-like quality to the digital sounds, allowing you to emulate the resonance of physical drum shells. This feature really shines when you're looking to add depth and character to your drum sounds, blurring the line between digital and analog percussion. Lastly, the VOLCADRUM's sync capabilities make it a great addition to any setup. Whether you're integrating it with other Volca units or syncing it to your DAW, this drum machine plays well with others. Its battery-powered operation also makes it perfect for on-the-go music production or impromptu jam sessions. Moving up to number 6, we have the Arturia DrumBrute Impact. This analog powerhouse is a force to be reckoned with in the world of drum machines. From the moment I plugged it in, I knew I was in for a treat with its raw, punchy sound. The DrumBrute Impact boasts 10 high-quality analog sounds, each with its own character and charm. The kick drum in particular is a standout feature. It's deep, powerful now and can cut through any mix with ease. I found myself constantly tweaking the decay and pitch to find that perfect sweet spot for different genres. One of the things I love about this drum machine is its intuitive layout. The step sequencer is straightforward and easy to use, allowing you to quickly lay down beats without getting lost in menus. The addition of the color feature adds an extra layer of expression to your patterns, letting you accent specific hits or add variation to your sequences. The DrumBrute Impact's performance features are where it really shines. The roller and step repeat functions allow you to add fills and variations on the fly, making live performances a breeze. I had a blast experimenting with these features during jam sessions, creating dynamic and evolving rhythms that kept the energy high. Another aspect that impressed me was the built-in distortion circuit. This adds a gritty, aggressive edge to your drums that's perfect for genres like techno, industrial, and hard-hitting electronic music. The ability to route specific instruments through the distortion gives you even more control over your sound. At number 5, we have the Roland TR-08 Rhythm Composer, a modern reimagining of the legendary TR-808. This compact drum machine captures the essence of its predecessor while adding modern features that make it relevant for today's music production landscape. The first thing that struck me about the TR-08 was its authentic sound. Roland has done an excellent job recreating the iconic 808 sounds using their ACB, analog circuit behavior, technology. From the booming kick to the crisp hi-hats, each sound is a faithful reproduction of the original. As someone who has worked with original 808s, I can attest to the accuracy of these emulations. One of the major improvements in the TR-08 is its sequencer. While it retains the classic 16-step programming of the original, it now offers more advanced features like substeps for creating more complex patterns. This allowed me to program intricate hi-hat patterns and subtle variations that weren't possible on the original 808. The addition of a built-in speaker is a nice touch, making it easy to sketch out ideas without needing to connect to an external sound system. However, for serious production work, I found myself using the individual outputs to process each drum sound separately in my DAW. Perhaps one of the most significant upgrades is the TR-08's compatibility with modern studio setups. It can function as a USB audio MIDI interface, allowing for seamless integration with your computer-based production environment. This feature made it incredibly easy to record and manipulate TR-08 patterns within my DAW. Coming in at number 4 is the Novation Circuit Tracks, a versatile groove box that combines drum machine functionality with synth capabilities. This all-in-one device has quickly become a favorite in my studio for its intuitive workflow and powerful features. The Circuit Tracks offers 4 drum tracks, each with the ability to load custom samples. This flexibility allowed me to create unique drum kits tailored to specific projects. Whether I needed classic drum machine sounds or wanted to experiment with found sounds and field recordings, the Circuit Tracks handled it all with ease. One of the standout features of this device is its hands-on sequencing capabilities. The 32-pad grid makes programming beats incredibly intuitive, and the ability to record in real time adds a human feel to your patterns. I found myself often starting with a basic beat and then tweaking it on the fly, adding variations and fills as I went along. The built-in effects on the Circuit Tracks are another highlight. With reverb, delay, and sidechain compression available, you can shape and polish your drum sounds without needing external processing. This made it an excellent choice for live performances where I wanted to keep my setup minimal. What really sets the Circuit Tracks apart is its integration of synth tracks alongside the drum machine functionality. Having 2 polyphonic synth tracks at my disposal allowed me to create full arrangements, from bass lines to lead melodies, all within one compact device. This made it an excellent tool for sketching out full track ideas quickly. Stepping onto the podium at number 3, we have the MOOG DFAM. This semi-modular drum synthesizer is a unique beast that blurs the line between percussion and synthesis, offering a world of sonic exploration. From the moment I patched in the DFAM, I knew I was in for something special. Unlike traditional drum machines that rely on samples or basic synthesis, the DFAM uses a fully analog signal path to generate its sounds. This results in rich, organic tones that can range from thunderous kicks to alien-like percussion. The DFAM's architecture consists of 2 oscillators, a noise generator, and a resonant low-pass filter. What makes it truly unique is its 8-step sequencer that can control pitch, velocity, and filter cutoff. This allows for evolving, rhythmic patterns that go far beyond simple drum beats. I found myself lost for hours creating pulsing, evolving sequences that felt more like living organisms than traditional drum patterns. One of the most exciting aspects of the DFAM is its semi-modular nature. The patch bay on the top panel allows you to rewire the signal flow, introducing new modulation sources, or even integrating with other modular gear. This opened up a world of possibilities, from subtle variations to completely transforming the sound of the instrument. While the DFAM can certainly create traditional drum sounds, I found it excelled at producing experimental and textural percussion. Its ability to generate complex, evolving rhythms made it an invaluable tool for creating tension and atmosphere in my tracks. Whether I was working on ambient soundscapes or industrial techno, the DFAM always brought something unique to the table. Just missing out on the top spot, we have the Roland AIRA TR-8S Rhythm Performer at number 2. This powerhouse drum machine combines the best of Roland's legendary drum machines with modern features and flexibility. The TR-8S impressed me right out of the box with its sleek design and intuitive layout. It pays homage to classic Roland drum machines while incorporating modern touches like a crisp LED display and RGB lit faders. But it's not just about looks. This machine delivers in the sound department as well. At its core, the TR-8S features ACB, analog circuit behavior models of classic Roland drum machines like the 808, 909, 707, and more. These emulations are incredibly accurate, capturing the punch and character of the originals. But what sets the TR-8S apart is its ability to load custom samples. This flexibility allowed me to blend classic drum machine sounds with my own samples, creating unique hybrid kits. The sequencing capabilities of the TR-8S are top-notch. With its 16-track sequencer, you can create complex patterns with ease. I particularly enjoyed the ability to add parameter locks and substeps, which allowed for intricate programming and evolving rhythms. The performance features, including the scatter function and real-time pattern chaining, made live improvisation a joy. One feature that really stood out to me was the TR-8S's extensive effects section. Each track can have its own effect, and there's also a master effect for the entire mix. From standard reverbs and delays to more experimental glitch effects, these built-in processors added depth and character to my beats without needing external gear. At number 1, we have the Erika Synths Perkons HD01 drum machine. This beast of a drum machine stands at the pinnacle of modern percussion synthesis, offering a unique blend of analog and digital technology that sets it apart from the competition. From the moment I laid eyes on the Perkons HD01, I knew I was dealing with something special. Its sleek black metal chassis exudes a sense of industrial strength, while the array of knobs, buttons, and LED indicators hint at the power lying beneath the surface. But it's when you power it on that the magic truly begins. The Perkons HD01 features 4 identical voices, each capable of producing a wide range of percussion sounds. What sets it apart is its hybrid architecture, combining digital sound generation with analog filters and VCAs. This unique approach results in drums that have the precision and flexibility of digital synthesis with the warmth and character of analog processing. Each voice in the Perkons HD01 is incredibly deep, offering multiple synthesis modes including FM, additive, and wavetable. I found myself constantly surprised by the range of sounds I could coax out of this machine, from classic drum machine emulations to otherworldly percussive textures. The ability to modulate nearly every parameter opens up a world of sound design possibilities. One of the standout features of the Perkons HD01 is its sequencer. With 64 steps per pattern and the ability to chain patterns together, you can create complex, evolving rhythms that go far beyond simple loops. The probability and ratcheting functions add an element of controlled chaos, allowing for patterns that feel organic and alive. The built-in effects on the Perkons HD01 are another highlight. Each voice has its own multi-mode filter and overdrive circuit, allowing you to shape and distort sounds to your heart's content. The master stereo bus features a unique BBD, Bucket Brigade device effect, which can add anything from subtle chorusing to wild, pitch-shifted delays. And there you have it, folks. Our countdown of the top 7 drum machines that are shaping the sound of modern music. Whether you're a bedroom producer or a seasoned professional, these instruments offer something for everyone. From classic analog warmth to cutting-edge digital precision, the world of drum machines has never been more exciting. So, which one caught your ear? Are you ready to take your beats to the next level? Remember, the best drum machine is the one that inspires you to create. Now get out there and make some noise.